talaga kilala. Oh, well, that is a propaganda that has been repeated all the time. Alam ko propaganda na yan. I was told. Eh, pabalik-balik na yung, I assure you, we are not into it. Ngayon, the purveyor of that is number one, Nograles and the rest of the yellow. Yellow yan. Pati spearheaded by... So, hinahayaan ko na lang yan si Trillanes because that has become his passion. Hindi na ako pumapatol sa ano. Sabi ko, kayong mga bakla, I do not have to give the name. Yan sa mga critics ko. Tanungin ninyo kung sino.